Yeah, world. Another update on the shoes, man. Comfortable as all ever, and keep my feet safe and dry. These are the waterproofs again. Um, but yeah, see, I got a few scuffs on them and everything, but I mean, they're work boots. I love them. Comfortable. My feet are so happy. Thorogoods is that business. Got to get back to work. I'll have more. All right, world. I got a little bit of time. Talk about my boots. I like them. I don't really have much else to say besides I like them. They're incredible. The comfort I feel in these is probably the most comfortable pair of boots I've ever had as far as work shoes go. I'd say boots in general. I did get these in the waterproof version because they got here sooner than the normal ones. And I will say, one of my boys told me that the Thorogood waterproofs aren't as bulky as the Red Wings, and he was correct. Like, these are really, I feel like I have my balance still. Like, I walk on I-beams a lot up on chassis, and I can do that just fine in these. I felt a lot more confident than those Red Wing boots. You can see I'm already getting my color into my soles, which I do like. It's oil and stuff, but I like how it darkens them up a bit. It's rained here past 2 days, pretty good downpour, and probably in some places 3 inches of water. Feet stayed dried. No back pain at all while I'm at work. Quality, craftsmanship, it's up there. It's definitely worth it. I definitely don't regret this investment. So yeah, sorry I don't have a lot more to say. This is my last 10-hour shift. I'll have a break after this shift, so I'm a little bit tired, but these boots definitely help, y'all. I just wanted to let you know, show you what's up with them. They did break in a little bit, but like straight out the box, they weren't too bad to wear, so I can't complain. I just wanted to share that with you guys. I took my pants in because I don't like them getting wet, and I don't like my cuff catching on things. So yeah, that's it though. 8-inch Thorogood waterproof mock toe with a steel safety toe. I don't know if this is steel or composite, to be real, but I cannot complain. I like them a lot. Very comfortable, very supportive. So yeah, that's it, world. Peace.